I'm out here in front of my house and I'm about to install a new pennant hanging light here. It had just this little disc LED that was supposed to look like an old school can light. Wasn't a big fan of that. I want something that has a little more character. So we're gonna hang a new light here and let's get it unboxed and check it out. Start with getting it unboxed and seeing what we got here. The chain to hang it from, that is a long chain. I won't need near that length. Okay. We'll say this is well packaged. Okay. Something right here too. That's the base. Nice. That's a good looking light right here. I think that's gonna go good up here. I got trash blowing away. Whoops. Oh crap. That's kind of important. Don't forget to put this on there because otherwise you're not going to be able to put this up where it needs to go. There's no way around that. Before I close all this up here, I'm going to put a light bulb in it and make sure it works. Might get a cool Edison bulb to put in it later, but this will work for now. Of course, it's not going to work right now because it has a dusk till dawn sensor on it, but they have this cool little device that will disable the dusk till dawn. It's just a little rubber cap that goes over it, and look at that. It works. Sweet. I like it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish getting this closed up and then we'll come and see what it looks like tonight. I like this light. I think it's a really good looking light. Fits really well here on my front porch. So if you are looking for a good hanging pennant light, something like this, I'd highly suggest it.